Alright, guys, I want to quickly do two things. I want to show you something. See this. I've been talking about PDF editing for quite some time, and some people might think I'm joking. You get this? Some people might think I'm joking. So, but see, PDF editing, open the file, and what do what's this? I'll open the file and I'll apply for the job, and then see what I was talking about, telling you guys about a few minutes ago. One invitation to interview. Now, I told you guys it's possible to get invited for a job and get an interview. I was checking through my mail and I saw this. Congratulations, you've been invited to submit a proposal. So I'm gonna do that also. But I wanna apply for the PDF first. So PDF says I need someone proficient in Adobe Acrobat to edit a catalog of 451 books in PDF. So I'll put just this. Output should remember that it does. So this is beautiful. So I'm gonna submit. I'm gonna do this very quickly because this is a very good job. This is a very good job. So I'm looking at my network. It must go well. So Andrea catalog 451 books in PDF. I want to put just front cover, content pages, and back cover. So let's see. I copied my my proposal template. The one I currently use is quite different from the one I gave you guys because that's for beginners. So as you go on, you edit some things. So understand that you need to permit me. I'll pause the video and then I'll continue when I'm done so that the typing sound will not disturb you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back. I want to quickly do this and submit it. All I did was I copied the person's request. I understand you need this. I pasted everything. Then I said I'm very proficient in PDF editing. I guarantee an excellent delivery. Then I said please send me a few PDFs and I'll make a sample for your viewing. So I told the person I'll make a sample. This is what they want. This is a PDF of 208 pages. You see here. So it has books, lots of. Now what they actually want is to take that PDF and make it into this. So copy out the front page, copy out the content page, and copy out the back page. That's all. And you're doing that for 451 files. This is probably something I could do within 2-3 days if I sit down with it. So 2-3 days to earn $150. It's not bad at all. I'm telling you the truth. So I apply for the job right now. I want to do this quickly. So and I submit that. So that's gone. Proposal was submitted. I'm hopeful. See, I still have, it's a history, less than 5 proposals so far. So less than 5 people have applied for this job because it came out about 6 minutes ago. So let me see, 6 minutes ago. So I'll share a very powerful secret with you guys today about getting the job. I'll share something very profound with you, or maybe I should just tell you now. You must understand time zones. Okay, you must understand time zones. Our night time here in Nigeria is probably their daytime over there. Let me show you what I mean. Now, this is a job, PDF editing. Now, Australia is, see, okay, funny enough, we share the same time zone with Australia, Sydney, because here it's saying Australia, Sydney is 5:16 a.m. So that's not bad. But in some regions, we're in the middle of the night. In some regions, this is afternoon, and people don't post their job request in the night time at their place. Some of them post it early in the morning or late at night before they go to bed, so that by morning they could have lots of applications. So you must understand time zones. If you can, I would advise wake up at night between the hours of 3 to 5. See as many jobs as you can, apply and go to bed. Wake up in the morning and you would have probably gotten responses and then you would get the jobs. So let's talk about I got the invite to interview. So the interview I got. Invite to interview. Let's see that. So where are you? Okay. It says I need a custom loading gift designer to design a very simple logo, but it's a time frame 12 hours max. Wow, that's strong. So this person is in the United States. Currently their time is 17 a.m. So this is like midnight in their place. So he's saying he wants it before 12 noon his own time, and 12 hours would be 5 p.m. my own time. It's not bad. I think we could probably work with this. So unlimited revisions until we can get it right. It shouldn't be that complicated. It should be a loading give icon, thinking something similar. It's tempting. Let's see. What's the job offer? So let me accept the interview. I can decline the interview. Let me show you guys. I'm not in a rush for this. I can accept the interview, I can decline. I can also recommend another freelancer. Where is that? It's not here. Alright, so you can recommend somebody else for the job in case you're not interested. Now, this is worth 12 hours of my time, $200. I think I can hurry up and do a logo for 12 hours if it's gonna be paying that much. So yes. So please select less than 1 month definitely. So I submit my profile, submit my proposal rather, and I go back to his stuff and I say I need a custom loading. That is simple or ASAP. Let me just copy everything and then I'll edit them based on my you need custom loading give design, custom loading give, and no, I understand you need a custom loading give logo. So delete this, I don't need this. So I can say I offer maximum unlimited revision and I am available until we can get it right. So I'm telling him that will be available to ensure that he gets the exact logo he wants. I understand it would be a loading give icon. And so he said, I'm thinking of something unique but similar to the attachment included. I've not seen the attachment yet, I'll check it now. I understand it to be a loading give icon and similar to your attachment. So I can remove this. It needs 2 deliveries but still 1 logo, 1 give version. Still 1 give version or motion graphics. Okay, so I understand that. The logo is from a film industry related to another company with similar name that we have logo for. You can start from scratch or use the current logo as inspiration. Current logo is attached. It's the blue logo. I'm using the new logo for the day, so I can say I see your current logo and I can use that as an inspiration to get this new done. Alright, so this tells him that I read this request. I'm just practically taking what he wants and I'm sending them back to him. So now I told you guys that you need a Connect to send stuff. When you are invited for an interview, you don't use Connect because you're invited. So your Connects are free. This is free. You don't pay for this. You don't use Connect for this at all. Can you get this done in next blah 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 Wednesday 11 p.m. East Central or New York time. So East Central or New York time. So I want to be sure about this. East. Okay. Oh no, let's leave that. So yes, I can get this done within the time frame you have specified. So I need to upload a sample. Let's upload 1 or 2 samples. Sorry, I still have running nose. I'm sorry. 1 or 2 samples to show. So I went to my samples. I'm picking my logo samples. You understand? So just maybe 5 or so is okay. I think that's okay. Alright, so that's done. And then I click on submit. I click on submit quickly and done. So because I submitted and applied for this, you saw that pop-up, that message. So I checked my time tracker app quickly, and I should have it here. So you see, I have it in my time tracker app already. So you see, I invited you. So you invited because it's an invite. It shows here. Since the other ones I've been applying for, since they are not invites, they won't show here until the client messages me and like, hey, I saw your proposal and I want to work with you, something like that. So just right now, since I've done this, I'll just wait for his response. I don't think he's online. He's not online, so I'll wait for his response and then we'll move on from this. So I hope this was beneficial to you guys. So I'll let you guys know if I get invited to the interview for that PDF job, but really I'm praying I get invited. So my heart is in it right now. So I'm gonna be talking to God right now, like, God, I want it. Alright guys, good morning. I just want to show you something very quickly. It's more like I hope it's gonna motivate you actually. For those of you that watched the last video, I want you to take a look at this. This came in a minute ago, and I just started to quickly show you. See, received 4th of November, 2021, 1 minute ago. But before that, quickly take a look at the last video that I did as regards this. Take a look at the video now. Okay, so I did that video. I sent the application. I received the interview invitation to interview, and I communicated with the client. So he messaged me back. For those that you noticed in the video there, this was exactly it. This particular one, and so he messaged back. We talked, and he asked if I could get the job done in the time frame he wanted. I said yes, gave him a guarantee. We talked about the offer, we talked about the price, and then we sorted this. I want to show you how this works, and I want to tell you that you can actually do this. Anyone that's telling you that this thing is fraud, this is scam, the person is obviously not knowing what he or she is saying. See, take a look at this. $200. $200. So I'm gonna accept the offer right now. Definitely. Why won't I accept? So I say offer accepted. And I say thank you for trusting me with your project, and I accept the offer. Definitely, I'm definitely accepting the offer. So offer accepted. See that this is the job now. So you see, active since November 4th, so 2021, and that's today. Obviously. That's today. The client is online and it's 5 a.m. India time. So if you go back to the chat, you see it here now. Offer accepted. Thank you for trusting me with your project. So if my target was to earn $200 this month in November, then it means that I have hit my target on the 4th of November. So if I'm gonna get $200 on the 4th of November, imagine what opportunities I have till the end of November. It means I could get $200 as many times as possible. So $200 that I said is just a limit. It's just something that that I know that if you can get, you'll be excited about. But you can get $200 in one job just like this. So I hope this motivates someone, and I hope you can see that this is for real. There's no fraud in this. So I'm gonna get going on this job right now, so I can deliver to the client as soon as possible. So thank you all.